You are more than a friend. You are a sister indeed, a sister in love, and a sister for life. Chief Mrs. Fatima Agbola Yeye Akpogunpote of Egbe Tobalashe Obìnrin Akilẹ̀ Ìjẹ̀bú and Yeye Ààrẹ Bobadara of Ìpẹ̀bí Kingdom. You are a woman of grace, beauty, and excellence. You are pleasant in character, diligent in spirit, and supportive in every way possible. You are that special person who does not just share from afar, but stands close, showing love in action and in truth. You are a blessing to me personally and to Brandy Fashion. You are a pillar of strength and support. You are not just a client, you are a family. All your native wears proudly carry the Brandy Fashion touch, and you wear them with such elegance that you turn heads wherever you go. You don't just patronize quietly. You recommend, refer, and speak boldly of Brandy Fashion, and you bring faces and new smile to the bride. You are truly priceless, the kind of person whose goodness cannot be measured. You are light, and you shine it generously on everyone around you. You are love, and you show it without holding back. You are loyalty wrapped in beauty. You are that rare gem whose presence makes life sweeter and whose heart makes the world brighter. The elders say, one who lifts others will never fall. Chief Mrs. Fatima Agbola, surely the kindness you pour into others will continue to lift you higher and higher. The Edo also say, the colonel that follows the king will also be celebrated. You shall be celebrated, honored, and remember for good. Today, Chief Mrs. Feryisayo Taiwo Bree celebrates you for the person you have been, genuine, kind, and dependable. For the person you are right now, radiant, loving, and strong. And also for the person you are becoming, greater, brighter, and destined for even more honor and success. Chief Mrs. Fatima Agbola, on this special birthday of yours, may the heavens open wide for you. May goodness follow you in abundance. May your efforts be rewarded with favor and fruitfulness. May your life be long. May your strength be renewed daily, and your joy know no end. Everywhere you go, may you be celebrated. May you always reap bountifully from the seeds of love and support you sow into others, especially Brandy Fashion. Cheers into a new year filled with beauty, blessings, and bigger celebration. Happy birthday, Chief Mrs. Fatima Agbola Yeye Akpogunpote of Egbe Tobalashe Obìnrin Akilẹ̀ Ìjẹ̀bú and Yeye Ààrẹ Bobadara of Ìpẹ̀bí Kingdom. Àṣẹ ìṣàmọ́dún ẹlẹ́yinjú ẹgẹ́ yín fún jọ̀wọ́. Obìnrin kan bíi mílíọ̀nù. Tí wọ́n bá sọ̀rọ̀ akíkanjú obìnrin tí kì í ṣojo, tí kì í ṣọ̀lẹ, obìnrin tó níwà tó lẹ́wà, obìnrin tó màrámú, ẹni tí máa ń fẹ́ èèyàn tọkàntọkàn, ẹni tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ ẹbí, ará, ọmọ, ọkọ àti ọ̀rẹ́, ẹni tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ Brandy Fashion dénúdénú àti dọ́kàndọ́kàn, ọ̀rẹ́ tòótọ́, ọ̀rẹ́ bí ọmọ ìyá, ẹ má wá jìnnà rárá o. Olóyè obìnrin Fatima Agbola aya Ìjẹ̀bú, ọ̀rẹ́ Ìjẹ̀bú, ìyá ìbejì, ọ̀rẹ́ ìbejì wíníwíní lójú orogún, ẹni rẹ pàtàkì ńlọ́ní wá kí ọ. Wọ́n sì ní kí n dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ wípé o ṣé, o kú àdúrótì, o kú ọ̀rẹ́ bí ọmọ ìyá níṣe. Chief Mrs. Feryisayo Taiwo Bree ló ní kí n kí ọ. Wọ́n ní dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀. Wọ́n ní pé o kú ọdún o. Wọ́n ní bá ṣèyí ṣàmọ́dún. Wọ́n náà kú àdúrótì àwọn. O sì kú àdúrótì iléeṣẹ́ Brandy Fashion, iléeṣẹ́ tí ń ṣàràlóge. Wọ́n ní ìwà gan pẹ̀ lára àwọn èjìká tí ò jẹ́ wò ó jábọ́ ní Brandy Fashion. Lóòótọ́ ọmọ Ẹdó ni ọ̀hún, àmọ́ ta ló sọ pé dò lóríkì? Ilé o, ọmọ àrókò tayọ̀ ọmọ àrókò tapẹpẹ ọmọ àdó torí ogun wáyé ọmọ àgbẹ̀ ṣèdí rúbutu ọmọ àdó ṣèdí kìnkìn ohun àdó ń lè gbé mi bàbá ńlá akèrègbè kan ò lè gbé mi akèrègbè ló kúkú ní ká mẹ́mu akèrègbè ló ní ká mọ̀mí àdó ló lògùn rúbutu ọmọ àdó kan tó so lẹ́yìn ìkùlé ọmọ afẹgbẹ̀rú lẹ̀kẹ̀ ṣoge bí lẹ̀kẹ̀ tí ń so lé bàbá tó bí ọlọ́mọ bẹ́ẹ̀ lówó ń so ọmọ afojoojúmọ́ dára bí ègbìn èmi ò mà rẹ́ni tó burẹ́wà nílé bàbá tó bí ọlọ́mọ rí o ìwọ láya wọn níjẹ̀bú olówó joyè méjì pọ̀ ìjẹ̀bú ọmọ ń ṣe ni ọ̀yọ̀yọ̀ máyọ̀ mọ́ ohun tí ń ṣọmọ ò lè pọ̀ mọ́ ọmọ olówó sílẹ̀ ṣálẹ̀ àṣèyí ṣàmọ́dún o àṣàmọ́dún ṣẹ̀mí